Hi, this is Andrew Wellborn, my realtor here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, coming to you from an enormous private rooftop in El Cielo, community just north of Playa del Carmen, about 10 minutes. And we're in Hacienda del Rio. This complex is a cluster of homes and condos that share a lazy river pool, a clubhouse, and a small park. So I'm going to give you an amazing, spectacular walkthrough of a house here that's set up in 3 levels. It's in incredible pristine condition. The owners have taken the utmost care and have added some nice personalization to the house. And as I would say, it's top quality everything. You know, it's really stunning house. So it has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. Just under 4,000 square feet. One major benefit here is you have 2 master bedrooms with ensuite master bathrooms and enormous walk-in closets. You can practically get lost in there. So go ahead and take a look at the video. If you have any questions or comments, I'm here, and we'll see you soon in Playa del Carmen. Take care.